Ay pre, wait nyo lang ano pre alert nyo sa mid pre Magre-respond na eh. O, ito na. Ang double to tower lock niya. Wait lang pre.
Papunta na, ayan papunta na.
Tower lock tol. Ang double.
Ayan na, may minion na rin.
O, tara na. Endo pre. Tapos to. Nice one. Nice game.
Grabe yan, oras na pala. May gagawin pa ako, mamaya na lang din. Thank you.
Sige, nice game.
Example yun, nakapagrin mo pa na sa mat.
Hirap nga eh.
Kumukulang ako na yun.
So yes bro.
Topic sa MMW kanina.
MMW? Mathematics in the modern world? Bakit? What's the problem?
Nature?
Nature.
Hindi kasi magit ka talaga masyado ano yun.
Hindi ko ka-meet sa roon. Kasi kahit ilang beses ko lang effort, hindi ko pa rin nagigit.
Ano ba?
Yung mathematics, isa pa lang to. Tapos hindi ko na naiintindihan.
Paano pa kaya pag may
Ayun no. Alam mo kasi, di ba ano yun, di ba? About yun sa nature ng math.
Oo.
Di ba no? Medyo kasi ang hirap niya kasi integrate kasi no, kasi yun ina-apply mo siya in the real world. Yun! Ganito kasi yun guys. Yung sinasabi niya ng W nature ng math, ganito yung tingnan nyo Kasi kaya kayo nahihirapan kasi hindi nyo siya na-imagine na na-apply siya in the real world. Tama?
Tama.
Tingnan nyo naglalaro kayo ng ML.
Oo.
Naglalaro ka. Tingnan mo yung Mobile Legends ko dito Eto, bibigyan ko kayo ng example ng mathematics in the nature na na-apply in real world. Tingnan nyo to Eto, pagtapos ang laro namin kanina ni Angelica. Tingnan mo. Nakikita nyo yung pattern. Anong kulay ito? Silver. Anong kulay ito? Gold. Tingnan nyo yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Silver, gold, silver, gold, silver. Diba? Nakikita nyo? May pattern, diba? Ganun yun. Ganun yung pinabagitan ni Prof, diba? Kanina sa nature daw. Yung mga flowers doon, bulaklak. May pattern daw. Yung mga golden ratio na gano'n, di ba mga pattern yun ng mga perfect numbers na sequences. Nakikita nyo yun. Tingnan nyo. Di ba naglalaro kayo na ML, sabi nyo? Pag nagbibuild kayo, di ba, ng mga item, yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Tapos kapag hindi nyo nasunod yun, pangit yung damage ng hero, di ba? Oo. Wala siyang hindi siya naka-align. Hindi siya tama. Ganon din sa sa real world. Pag in-apply mo yun, nature ng mathematics. Pag in-apply mo ang pattern na yun, doon magkakaroon ng alignment. Tama guys? Gets nyo guys? That's how it works guys.
I'm sure that I can apply those patterns and sequence. I just have to think.
Oh, I see. Just like in the nature of mathematics, I can also apply the sequence of patterns. For example, in my monthly adjustment of braces, on the 15th day of each month, I need to visit my dentist at the clinic to have my braces adjusted, ensuring a smooth development and improvement to my teeth. Otherwise, skipping my adjustment period would cause my teeth to have a slow improvement process. It all makes sense. I can also apply patterns and sequence in real life. That's amazing.
I noticed a pattern in my daily routine. Every time I slept late, I felt tired the next day and couldn't focus in my class. This repeated over several days like a sequence. It helped me realize how small habits can create patterns that affect my performance, and changing one step can change the whole outcome.
Oh, ayan na. Kita mo na. Ayan na. Ayan yung sagot. Uy, ano yan? Yun no. Lupit. Hey, tingnan mo. Mag-gen typing siya. Angelica. Relate ka ba ngayon dyan?
Oo.
Paano?
Ganyan din ako mag-type.
Mali ka. Sabihin ako yung sa kanina lesson sa language of mathematics.
Paano?
Tinan mo, may something common sila. Yung mga symbol na ginagamit sa Angelica dyan sa GG typing. Diba? It somehow relates sa language of mathematics. Imagine ito. Yung n plus 1 is equal to. Pero sabi sa statement, a number was added by 1, which the sum is 2. Kunyari, symbol tong n plus 1 na to. So, anong number yung magre-represent sa symbol na n para mag-equal siya sa 2?
1.
Oh. Pero we know na 1 yun, di ba? Automatically.
Oo.
No, ngayon, ganun yung meaning sa GG typing. Pag sinabi dyan naman na where to go, kunyari, where, tapos number 2, go. Oh. Alam na naman natin na number yun to, pero ginamit mo na symbol doon sa typing sa Angelica. But, we should also know na sinasabi ni Angelica kung saan pupunta. Diba? Kaya sabi ko, nakaka-relate nga yung language of math dito sa GG typing sa Angelica. Kahit Jejimon, diba?
Kaya pala naiintindihan natin yung sinasabi niya. Kasi may meaning.
Ganun. Yeah, we can conclude because it has a meaning. Oh. Tignan mo yun. Look at that. Ayun na yung person na nakatayo dyan sa hallway. Nakikita mo ba? Diba? Like, you see that non-verbal cues na ginagawa niya. Tinan mo kung paano niya express yung sarili niya. Halata talaga may naantay siya kasi kanina pa siya kawat na kawat sa ulo niya, hindi pakali, umuupo. Diba? You see that guy's action. Now, if we relate it sa mathematics in the modern world, we know that it is kinda give us a symbol or something na merong meaning. Ganun yung language niya eh.
In our reality, even if gaano kahirap intindihin ang nature and language of math, hindi natin maipagkakaila na even on our simplest thing na ginagawa sa araw-araw ay may relation sa math. Hindi man natin napapansin, kahit walang equation, everything and anything on what we're doing, meron at palagi included si math. Nakakalito man itong aralin, mahirap man itong intindihin. Ngunit kung sisiriin lang ito ng mas mabuti, mas maiintindihan at mas magiging madali lang itong mathematics in the modern world sa atin.
So for the additional questions, on behalf of our group, let me answer it. So for the first question, how did you come up with the idea? How did you plan your task, and did you get any help or support? In accomplishing this task, we decided on what type of execution will be done for this task. We found out it quite difficult because most of us are also busy with different courses, and it is quite hard for us to meet face-to-face because of the weather, as well as it's given that we are in synchronous modality for that. When it comes to the assignment of tasks, since we had a lot on our plates, we offered each other a hand when some of us are unavailable to do their tasks by themselves. So for the second question, what are the challenges you encountered while doing this task? One of the main challenges that we encountered while mapping out our ideas to execute this performance task 1 was on how we'll be able to achieve creativity and uniqueness in our output. In this world where a lot of ideas and pieces of information are everywhere, coming up with an out-of-the-box idea was hard and very challenging, especially when integration of mathematics is one of the things that we should consider. But that particular challenge was the very reason why we accomplished this task. We persevered. Secondly, time and environmental challenges also became a hindrance for us. Our availability and the constant changes of weather slowed down our progress. For the last questions, what are your contributions or each contributions to the task? Initially, our group had come up with 4 different roles for this short skit, which are actor, video editor, videographer, and the one who will do the script. Despite that, we had to be complex in our roles and help each other to make sure that our task would have a better result and the filming day would run smoothly. As a result, we have decided to all become actors. Additionally, Heaven Cabrera was assigned in filming the skit, while John Dale's role is an actor throughout the film. Karil Fundano, yours truly, had a task to edit the videos, while on the other hand, Angelica Pasilia was also assigned to edit the film, but she also had a task on doing the script and with Jerome Ravelo and also became an actor. So that's all for the additional questions. Thank you.